Thank you. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Maggie. Got a box?
Take long to learn this game, doesn't it?
Good job.
Well, she's still very neat.
Yeah, let's see what's in this box. Daddy, your pocket.
Oh, look.
Oh, what's that?
Nice.
The big crow.
Is it,
Scarecrow.
you think it's a scarecrow?
No, that's
she just has red hair.
Raggedy Ann.
Here, Daddy.
Oh.
Present.
Oh, that's Mom and Daddy's, honey, okay? How about, here's another one for Maggie. It's from Mimi. Well, Max will get some of ours.
That's fine.
Okay, let's see. Let's put it down. Good idea. Here, why don't you lift right here? Right over here. Oh, a little bit more.
Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Might have to use both hands, Maggie.
Yeah, use 2 hands. Use 2 hands. Pull hard.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
It's music.
Is it a guitar?
Nice. It's a guitar like Daddy has a guitar.
Daddy?
Oh.
Here, do Daddy take it?
Cool. Let's open another present. Daddy, can you give Maggie
Here.
another present?
Here. You want to open this present?
Yes.
I think Santa Claus brought that present.
Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Yay! Santa Claus brought you a present. Here, let's try it. Let's try over here. Try this side right here. Can you look right there when Mom started?
Thank you.
Pull hard. Pull with 2 hands. Good. Hi, Leo.
Leo wants to open presents too. Oh, Leo.
What's that?
What did Santa Claus bring you?
That's a little toolkit, isn't it? Do you want to open it up?
Yes.
Okay. Well, open it up.
Do you want me to get scissors?
Alright. Some good plastic there. There we go.
I guess proof wrapping.
Yeah, right.
What is that, Maggie? What's in there?
Yeah,
Good. See, it turns. Can you turn it?
Neato. Good job.
Mommy's trying.
Okay, I'll try.
What is it? What's
Tim's off. Look at that.
What's this, Maggie?
A hammer.
Hammer, right. You know what this? Yeah, there we go. You know what this is?
Right.
Wrench.
Very good.
You know what this is?
Right.
It's a screwdriver.
Whatever.
Yeah. See how she was using it too?
Mm-hmm.
She knew how to use that
Oh.
hammer.
Here, well, Mom will show you about the screwdriver. Go like this. Whoops.
I'm trying.
Okay, you can do it. Gotta get it in that slot just right.
Was that a good present from Santa Claus?